So hayan na, at the moment, we're at the taxi now and we're traveling or going to the Tokyo station. We're finally here. Look, Ella, the train is so long.
It is.
It looks like a snake.
Yeah.
You like the train?
Yeah.
I like it too. Are you excited?
Yeah, I am.
So we're just waiting our train. We've already been here early before our departure, so we are really too early because we can't find where we're going, so we are not familiar in this train station and it's so big. So once the train arrived, there's a cleaning crew who's waiting to clean the next train because the train spent only 12 minutes at the train station. So if I'm not mistaken, I think they only have 7 minutes to clean the train inside, because I think it's only one person who is in charge cleaning one car. I don't know how many seats in one car, but it needs to be fast to clean the whole Shinkansen car. The Shinkansen train I were waiting is here, Ella.
Yeah, Mommy.
So we booked Gran Class, which is the first class. So we want to try how it feels like, but they say it's really good and comfortable. But it's too really expensive, my goodness. But just for the experience. Look, Ella, look at all the drinks. You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
You want to buy one?
No thanks.
Five C.
ご案内いたします。この列車は9時36分発。東京出ますと大宮、仙台、盛岡、新青森、終点新函館北斗の順に停車いたします。
Five C.
この列車の進捗をお確かめの上ご利用ください。またこの列車の7号車はワーク&スタディを優先するトレインディスクです。トレインディスクの詳しいご案内は
We're out of the train set. We're just here.
You're excited? You're lucky you're in the window now. That's your dream?
Japan is my dream.
Are you sure?
I can see the whole Tokyo.
The attendant offered a fabric bag containing an amenity kit, which is inside is a bottle of water, a menu, salted chocolate, and a soft hand towel.
新幹線ウィーク中山です。この列車の停車駅と到着時刻をご案内いたします。大宮には9時58分、仙台11時6分、新青森12時34分、終点新。またお席を離れる際にでも現金や貴重品類などは身につけてご移動いただきます。
So we booked the train to Sapporo because we wanted to play in the snow. But if there's no snow, we can't play. If there is, we can play. and my sister and brother is gonna have a snow fight there. And they don't stop because it's so fun.
You drink everything?
It's yummy soda.
That's not soda, that's apple juice.
Soda.
Wow, this bento box is so nice. The food looks yummy. What? It looks like a dessert. I can't wait to try this.
I got a soda.
本日も東北新幹線をご利用
This is really good. I ate the 2 bento boxes because Ella don't like her bento box, so I ate it. I'm trying to video outside, but as you can see, the speed of the train is so fast, so it's hard to capture the view. You like this now? What? Look at their toilet door.
Oh my god!
Excited?
Yeah.
You will play with us now? Really? You will roll over?
I make an angel.
You make what?
A snow angel and a snowman.
Really? We will see later. High five. Yay! Finally, we are arrived at Hakodate Station. After we arrived at Hakodate Station, so we're looking for a restaurant to eat because we are really super hungry. And then after that, we're waiting our next train, which is the express train going to Sapporo. So it's another 3 more hours.
My way. I don't like this car. Look at the hair.
Okay, we will remove that.
I want to remove it now. My neck never feels cold.
So hot inside here.
I have enough with this scarf. Because it's snowing.
Skiing?
No, but you can ask the villa. They will assist you there if you want to ski. Ella, Ella.